So one of the questions that is really intriguing for me, and it's really relevant to our days because just recently President Obama announced here that he's going to direct major funding for research on the brain, and the last few decades are really, we learn more about the human brain than in thousands and thousands of years before that altogether. So it's time of really exciting development, and big part of it is Tibetan Buddhist monks participated and contributed to our understanding with their willingness to participate in experiments, especially on meditation. Philosophically, however, it opens up really interesting question, and this is, as time goes by, we learn more and more that what we used to call the mind, or even before that, the soul, in the West, is growingly confined to brain. So we associate, we still call it the mind as this intentional aspect of our being, that we can feel, we can think, we believe things, but at the same time we know that a lot of it is rooted in the physical nature of the brain. We tended to see body and mind in the past as two separate things, and today we know that they're interrelated, and many philosophers today and scientists will see the mind as either a byproduct of the brain and in many ways equals to the brain, or just as a function of the matter from which our thought arises. So I wanted to ask about this seeming tension between what we call physicalist and the materialist understanding of mind as matter versus the more traditional way of distinguishing between the two, and the Buddhist position that seems to be maintaining this dualism but see it as a more subtle kind of interrelatedness of those two. But my main question is whether we can justify even seeing this as a subtle form of dualism, or whether Buddhism should reevaluate its traditional doctrine in light of what we learn from science and neuroscience especially.
네 parche 디초 통즈가는 것에 고나다리 옆에 까모레 옛나야 ngi tanga ti ngosong churgerne kambo tsutrono tuze kiwa nga sheze kiyor ti nola tela kiwa nga shege yikes yor ti no nakshapa mambo yor tani yang ngosong garne tare chuk danzan jamso ti kongo dansang ga tsar ga lapa da wangsa zena jag senjin de lapa wangsa yor ta tare ti instrument 티 그거다나더니 산지 정도인데 지르데가 나나 손는 거야. 단주 손요래. 단주 손요래. 땅이 사람들 딘기장이나 찬을 봐가 다 라파다 셈니가 다리가 찍다 타드적인데 기도 또 예와 마신이 다리 균치워서 그 손으래. 셈다 다리 라파다 남바 가까이인 거 손으래. 라파다 zuki pombo 다리 접차들래. 레다나 라파다가 다리 셈데라 Girdong roki dana sem de la dare pano yoki de yore dana de niga chigi mare da de chire zena chanik baga kiwa ngapshi gar namjag mashi ki daga sonje dan di namjag jibzo do sanje ga dare khsung na pe jmo yore de karte ki malangi janji na dansang zambolong ga na lapa mecha ga ne na lapa mecha ga ne ni chipchag yarma yore sete lapa mecha ga sha inna sha dare dawaksam garang tarong da ski harap chachang dansa janak pati moyora 시아그렇게 하루 짰잖아요. 나타 이나코 마시다나 더 다락섬 그런 느끼는라. 더니 다리가 다 땅성 알라파드 카테 셈냐치기나 라파메차금 니 몽보즈다나 더니 총총인디기는 만그 sortai 키론데 라파메차 던다 몽보즈 요래. 더인디 셈되 다리 응니 장네가 첸더니 체슈마 다로티 키와 ngap시 장게다나 다 티모모 즈드나 Then same gungo sanik baga that tunza abamaga tari yakur shijiz inarana tang nirkus nawa sanji bi chu dan dimo chakama tenji chanzana sanik ba khu ngonaga kuchigi ina ta tari laksu timo yahaz yon mare then di koronzu jimjik shya da parchya da ngubo da churur kene giche zola tenere inna nan semga kamde sanji jondo de jung chu te chanzina te one tane ga tari ngeten le labore samga te tari labada yimga tobada na te kaleftani yo mare shurna tari labada se la shuxum zekin jera yore zenen jera yore da jera yon zamsk yang te chig yimbi ngiba yo mare.
Thank you. This is really as you said, it's an invitation for a longer conversation, and we do have limited time, and you're busy today, so I think that it's our time to move to Khenpo's question.